Hey everybody, this is TecX and today I'm going to unbox an amazing earphones for you so that you can buy it easily, and I will be reviewing all the things about this earphone. And I already made another video, but this time I am reviewing in another color, that is your yellow color, and it is your Mivi Rock and Roll E5. That is a new update of your previous one from Mivi. So let's see what's that earphone, and I'm just starting the unboxing. So this is the box, this is the package from Amazon.in. I ordered from there. So this box is really well packed, and you can read information very clear, that they are mentioned weight, and you can scan these scans for just your all the things. And let me open this, and then we will see what's the thing inside it. So let me first open this. So yeah, so it just broke, and here you can see receipt from Amazon.in. All the details will be here. So let's keep this aside, and let's take our box out. So yeah, this is the blazing box from Mivi. You can see very clearly, packed with a thin plastic layer, and push the limits. Yeah, we are here to push the limit, designed and engineered in India, and all the information given here. And let's first tear it out, and then we will see what's inside it. So yeah, this box is really feeling in my hands, and you can read information very clearly. HD stereo sound, lossless audio, super solid bass, and ergonomic snug fit. Yeah, super snug. And yeah, so this is the box with an yellow color. Really feeling good in my hands, and you can see their designs here, and in bottom side there are some information if you want to read the customer care number and these things. In front there's nothing, and here's that plastic. And let me now open the main stuff. So from here I don't think it will open, so let me tear it out from another side. And yeah, so let me take it out. So yeah, this is the main stuff. Yeah, this is the warranty card for your 1 year. If anything happens, then you can surely take another earphone, or if there is anything to repair, they will repair easily. I will explain it all. Or you can register warranty easily. I will show that you also and for the video. And this is the box. Yeah, this is the very important, that is recyclable. And here you can see many pretty earbuds for all your ears, whatever fits to you. This is really cool. It is yellow color. So yeah, so let's keep this aside, and let's take our main earphone out. So yeah, its wire is really cozy. And first let me take out its microphone, and next your earbuds, wired earbuds, and here it is. And this is really too much light, I will say, so much light. They claim that it is of your 9 gram, and I guess they are right. And yeah, so this is really pretty much long. Amazing. Or you can say it's earbuds. Really, its wire quality is super awesome. I will say here it is your microphone, and it's working well because I am recording my voice from this. This is a Mivi branding. That's amazing. So this is your earphone. Yeah, and you can see there an L-shaped plug-in that is so much important in this, and this is really feeling so much amazing, I will say. So this is the whole earphone unboxing, guys. Hope you like this. It is, and let's come to your review section. So I was pretty much excited to share a review of this. So I will say this is a really good product. You can go for it surely, and its sound quality is kind of HD and amazing. You will not believe it. Its sound quality is so much good at this price point. It is so amazing, and its bass, when you will come, I will give 5 out of 5 because its bass is really so amazing. As you can see other product also, but I don't find any amazing thing to them like board and other things, but this is really worthy. You can really go for it. And next come to your snug. Its fitting is so snug. Your ear will all okay. Your ear will all sounds good. Nothing will no painful and no nothing. All things very much clear. So you can surely go for it. This was the small review, guys, and I'm using this from it's been your 1.5 years since I'm using Mivi, and it's performing super. So you can trust on. And if you like this video and unboxing and review, share with your friends that there's a product you can buy easily, and it's not it's affordable too. And I got this product at your I will say 250 approximately. So I ordered this earphone from Amazon, and there was sale kind of thing. I got this 66% down, and its actual price is your 400 something, and you can get it at low. You just have to active on your Amazon or Flipkart or any other site. They keep updating their prices, so you can check out easily. So this was the whole thing. I think I covered all the things, and this may be a bit lengthy, but you listen this clearly and listen this again and again, so that you will be satisfied. And just go for this product. I will say you will not regret after buying this product. So this was the small and good I guess review, and I will put link in description of all the sites if you want to purchase, so it will be easy for you, so you can go for it easily. So thank you for watching, guys. This was the whole review, and if you like this video, share with your friends, all friends and family, if they like to buy. And thank you for watching. I will see you in next amazing update, and Happy New Year.